In a normal presidential campaign season, you'd expect to see a candidate all over the country. But nothing with Donald Trump is normal. Instead, the former president and his lawyers are bouncing from one courtroom to another in the civil and criminal trials against him. And Mr. Trump was in Lower Manhattan today for the hush money case involving porn star Stormy Daniels. His lawyers, meanwhile, were in Georgia trying to stop the election fraud case there. And tomorrow, a judge could release a ruling on the fate of his beloved Trump organization. Got all that? Here's Eyewitness News reporter Jim Dolan with what went down today in court.
While Donald Trump was in New York complaining about one trial,
I'm going to have to sit here for months on a trial. I think it's ridiculous. It's unfair.
His legal team was in Atlanta trying to delay a trial in another criminal matter. Fani Willis, the Fulton County, Georgia prosecutor who has charged Trump and 18 others with election interference, testified in Atlanta today in a feisty, combative hearing there.
You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial, no matter how hard you try to put me on trial. I think in one of your motions you tried to implicate I slept with him at that conference, which I find to be extremely offensive.
Willis is accused by the Trump legal team of profiting from an affair she had with Nathan Wade, the man she appointed as special prosecutor in the Trump case in Georgia.
It is a lie. It is a lie. It's highly offensive when someone lies on you, and it's highly offensive when they try to implicate that you slept with somebody the first day you met with them. Don't be cute with me and then think that you're not going to get an answer.
Willis said the affair began several months after she hired Wade, but a former friend of hers testified today that she thinks it started years before that.
Did you observe them do things that are common among people having a romantic relationship?
Yes.
Such as, can you give us an example?
Hugging, kissing.
The Trump team says Wade paid for vacations she and Willis took together. Willis says she paid him back. Trump's team is hoping to delay the Atlanta trial by having Willis removed from the case. Meanwhile, a judge ruled today that Trump's Manhattan trial addressing his alleged payoff of porn star Stormy Daniels will begin with jury selection on March 25th. That was all today. Tomorrow, the former president may well learn how much he and his company will have to pay for various fraud charges in New York, including overstating the size and value of his Fifth Avenue apartment. A judge is expected to rule on that matter tomorrow.